Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to solve a real world SQL problem, how to find top 3 most profitable region using basic SQL queries. Today's question is same, that is question number 22. Write a query to find the most profitable region based on transaction data. And this question has been asked in American Express Data Analyst interview series for 0 to 3 years work experience, so it is useful for beginners as well. So question is straightforward, like write a query to identify most profitable region based on transaction data. So if you are preparing for SQL interviews, working on data analysis, or just love clean practical SQL, this one is for you. So let's jump right into the query. And before jumping to query, I will give you a practical scenario. Like imagine you are working for a company, let's take Target, and you have got a big table full of sales transaction, and your manager asks you, or your stakeholders ask you, like which 3 region are making us the most money. So your job is to write an SQL query that returns the top 3 regions based on the total revenue earned from all transactions. Let's assume okay, first let's minimize this and let's think our table is called transaction, that is in a real world scenario. Let's think of it, and it's looked like this. Will be giving this create table and insert into query in the comment section. You can just copy paste it into your SQL database and then run it. So no need to just pause and write all this. I will give everything in comment section. So in this table you can see each row is one cell. You have got the transaction ID, the name of the region where it happened, simple as that, and how much money was made, that is simply the amount column, this one. So and you can see the table, it is in front of you. Here we have took some example data that we will use in our query. So after this SQL query, we get this table. Let's run it once again. See, we get this table of 10 rows, right? So right now let's jump into the practical and let's find out the transactions of each region. Then we will go to the next step of top 3 transaction, right? So first of all we will write select, simple as that. And then as you can see in this table there are lots of duplicates, like north is in first, third and 8th row. So to get the unique data, to get the total sum or to get the unique data in a table, you should always use group by. Let's do this and I will show you. This is a part of the solution. So let's see. Transactions, group by region. So let's see how many regions are there in this table. Simple, we have got 4 region: east, south, west and north. Now as we got the region, from this region table we will get, we want the sum amount of the total from the table for each region. So it is simple, we will write sum amount and let's give this table column name as total amount. That's it. And let's run it once again. See, each region sum, total sum amount is given in this table, simple as that. Now they have asked top 3. Top 3 means the top region should be having the most sales out of the last 3. So for that we will do what? Order by. Order by what? Sales. You can write some amount in order by, or you can write this alias as well. Anything is okay, no need to worry. And after writing order by the column name, you have to write descending. What descending does is that it will give you the highest to lowest kind of pattern. That's why. Now once we are done, let's run this and see what we get. See, north region got 2700 of total amount, which is highest of other three. So what is the order of execution? If the interviewer asks you, is simple. First order of execution is from table. Second order of execution is group by. Third order of execution is select. Third order of execution is select. And fourth order of execution is order by. So first SQL will find the table. After finding the table, SQL will do a group by. After doing a group by, it will go to select and will do the required thing that has been asked by the user. It will give the region, means in this query I'm saying it will give the region in output as well as the sum amount as per region, total sum as per region, and after all this it will do order by. So order by is last. That's why in order by either you can write sum amount or you can write total amount, because after everything you will write order by. So once a table is done, either you can give sum of amount or total amount. That's the thing. So it's done. And if you want to make notes, let me wrap up this in a short closing statement. Like select region, sum amount, this tells SQL give me each region and the total revenue of that region. We are using sum amount to add up all the sales amount from each region. From transaction, what it does, this is the table where we are pulling data from. Group by region, what it does, this is the important part, I would say. Without this line, SQL is just try to sum everything in the table at once. But with group by query, it knows how to calculate the total revenue per region. Order by total revenue, or you can say the total amount in descending. Now what it does, it sorts the region from the highest revenue to the lowest, because descending means highest to lowest. Then we can also do limit 1. Limit 1 means it will only give the first data from this table, depends, but as we can see that there are only 4 rows, so no need to put limit. And that's it. There you go. Our top region is north right now, followed by south, east and west. And this is the great example of how simple SQL concept is. Like group by, sum and order by can give you very useful business insights. You can use this logic to find top product, top customers, best performing stores and more, because as per real world scenario I'm saying, just change the column you are grouping by and it's done. And thank you for watching my video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, hit subscribe button with the bell icon so that you can get notification of each and every video I post. And also drop a comment if you want more real world SQL examples for this pattern. And if you have any doubt, then also put your doubts in comment section. I will clear it out, as well as you can send me a mail. I will put, like I always put the mail ID in my description box. Thanks for watching. So let's meet tomorrow in a new one, new question for this interview series. So bye bye, take care and happy coding.